Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson on superlative adjectives. In this lesson, we will learn about a special type of adjective that helps us describe the highest or extreme degree of a quality. Specifically, we will focus on how to use the word most with adjectives like beautiful and expensive. Let's get started. Superlative adjectives are used to describe the highest degree of equality among three or more things. When you want to say that something is number one or has the maximum quality compared to everything else, you use superlative adjectives. For example, if you want to describe the flower that is more beautiful than all other flowers in the garden, you say the most beautiful flower. Similarly, when talking about a car that costs more than all other cars in the showroom, you say the most expensive car. Now, when do we use the word most? We use most with adjectives that have two or more syllables. A syllable is a sound unit in a word. For example, beautiful has 3 syllables, beautiful. Expensive has 3 syllables, expensive. Other examples include intelligent, interesting, important, and comfortable. All of these adjectives have 2 or more syllables, so we use most with them to form the superlative. The formula for forming superlative adjectives with most is very simple. You use the article the, followed by the word most, and then the adjective. So the pattern is the plus most plus adjective. For example, the adjective beautiful becomes the most beautiful. Expensive becomes the most expensive. Intelligent becomes the most intelligent. And comfortable becomes the most comfortable. Remember to always use the before most. Let's see how we use these superlative adjectives in real sentences. First example, this is the most beautiful painting in the museum. Here, we are comparing one painting to all other paintings in the museum. Second example, that was the most expensive dinner I have ever had. This means the dinner cost more than any other dinner the person has eaten. Third example, she is the most intelligent student in the class. This tells us that compared to all students in the class, she has the highest intelligence. Here are more examples to help you understand better. This is the most comfortable chair in the house. This means out of all the chairs in the house, this one is the most comfortable to sit on. Next, it was the most interesting book I have read. This means the book was more interesting than any other book the person has read. Finally, health is the most important thing in life. This sentence tells us that compared to everything else in life, health has the highest importance. Let's talk about some common mistakes that learners make. First mistake, saying most beautifulest. This is wrong because you cannot use most and s together. The correct form is simply the most beautiful. Second mistake, saying more most expensive. This is also wrong because you cannot use more and most together. The correct form is the most expensive. Remember, for long adjectives with 2 or more syllables, you only use most, not more or est. Now it's time to practice. Try to create superlative forms by adding the most before each adjective. First one, beautiful. The answer is the most beautiful. Second one, expensive. The answer is the most expensive. Third one, difficult. The answer is the most difficult. And the last one, popular. The answer is the most popular. Great job. Keep practicing these forms until they become natural for you. Thank you for joining today's lesson.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.